Have you ever tried to compile your first program only to be met with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the monodevelop error, unknown MS build failure, and showing you how to fix it. I completely understand how annoying it is when you just want to see your code run, and instead you get a cryptic error message. You're not alone in this. Many users face this issue, especially when starting with monodevelop. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting an unknown MS build failure in monodevelop?" They mentioned that they just installed monodevelop and tried to compile a simple Hello World program, but they were met with an error. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? The unknown MS build failure can stem from various issues, including misconfigurations, missing dependencies, or even compatibility problems with your system. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the unknown MS build failure, the user should ensure that all necessary packages are installed. This includes the Mono development tools and MS build. Next, the user should check the monodevelop configuration. They can do this by navigating to the preferences and ensuring that the correct mono installation path is set. After verifying the configuration, the user should try cleaning and rebuilding the project. This can often resolve temporary issues that lead to build failures. If the issue persists, the user may need to check for any updates to monodevelop or Mono itself. Keeping the software up to date can prevent compatibility issues. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, the user can consider running the project from the terminal using the Mono command. This can help identify if the problem is specific to monodevelop. Did you know? The first version of monodevelop was released back in 2004, and it has come a long way since then. Just like us, it has had its share of growing pains. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests a different approach to creating your project. Instead of starting with an empty C# file, they recommend going to File, then New, and selecting Solution. From there, choose Console C# Project, or simply press Ctrl, Shift, and N. This will create a new project with a simple Hello World program that should run successfully. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your monodevelop and mono installations updated. Regular updates can prevent many issues, including MS build failures. And there you have it. You should be able to compile your Hello World program without any issues now. Remember, keeping your software updated and checking configurations can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus pro tip on optimizing your coding environment.